Okay, Mama, happy 50th golden year sa iyo. The Lord bless you and keep you. And mahal na mahal kita. Amen. Happy birthday. Love you.
My skin and it unraveled like binding from a Bible, only to discover my flesh failed at survival. Well, I don't know about you, but when I am alone, my body feels dysfunctional. It's true. Do you think I'm a fool?
Happy birthday, Ma! Thank you sa lahat. Ikaw yung paborito kong mama. Hindi ko man madalas sinasabi sa'yo, pero love kita and madalas man tayong mag-away kasi matigas yung ulo mo. Diba? Pag may sinasabi sa'yo, hindi mo ginagawa. So, ayun, love kita, love ka namin lahat, and thank you kasi ikaw yung mama namin, and ikaw at ikaw yung pipiliin naming mama kahit ano man mangyari. Ayun lang. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday and happy Mother's Day.
Do you think I'm a fool? I tell myself I'm not one, I am only human. Right, then why don't I feel home? Cause if home is where the heart is, then I feel pretty stupid. My heart lies in your palms. Do you think that I'm dumb?
God bless you more para maging blessing ka sa others. Sana huwag kang magsawa sa pagtulong mo sa mga nangangailangan. Kaya hindi ko na ito sinasabi sa'yo, pero alam mo, mahal kita. Mahal kita.
Is dysfunctional, it's true.
Sa sandaling ito, we are celebrating life and the goodness of the Lord. No? Sa buhay mo, 50, and aking lang masasabi sa iyo, Ate V, ay dagdagan pa ng Panginoon ng buhay mo ng maraming taon. Pero more than that, yung marami mong taon ay dagdagan pa ng Diyos ng maraming buhay.
You were meant for me all along.